You get an hour for a lunch break, so instead of eating your leftovers, use that hour to create something you can actually sell online. Not a someday product, a real product. And here are 5 digital products you can make fast using AI. And I'll tell you the best tool for each one. Before we start, I want to share there's no fancy design skills needed. You pick one idea, you use the right tool, and you ship the first version. And stay with me because number 3 is the easiest way to grow an email list while you sleep. So let's get into it. First, an ebook or a mini guide, and this is the fastest high-value product that you can create. My favorite AI tools for this are Gamma app and ChatGPT. And here's a shortcut that makes your ebook look expensive. Use a reference image. Basically, it's a screenshot of an ebook style that you like. It could be the fonts, the layout, the vibe, and you use it as your reference so AI matches the aesthetic. Then the prompt like this: create a short beginner guide on blank topic in this style. Make it skimmable with checklists, bold headers, and a 1-page summary. You'll have a clean, sellable guide in under an hour. The next one is perfect if you want a product that you can sell on Etsy and KDP. So number 2, a coloring book. This is one of the fastest digital products to produce with AI because you don't need to draw. There's 2 AI tools that can speed this up: ChatGPT and Nano Banana. ChatGPT and Nano Banana can both generate page ideas and the actual image. So here's a workflow. Pick a theme, super specific, generate 25 to 40 pages, convert it to line art if needed, format it in Canva, list it on Etsy, or upload it to KDP. The key is choosing a theme that people are already searching for. Remember, demand is traffic and traffic is sales. Okay, number 3 is the one I do if I wanted to make money and build a long-term audience. Number 3, a lead magnet infographic. And this is perfect if you're collecting emails for a newsletter, a blog, email marketing, a future product launch. And my favorite AI tool here is Notebook LM, because instead of staring at 14 tabs, Notebook LM helps you organize information and pull the best points. And here's the move. Drop in your notes or your sources, have it summarize it into key takeaways, pull a simple top 10 or a step-by-step structure, and turn it into one infographic. Then export it to Canva to customize. This becomes your free download and people will trade their email address for it. Now number 4, and this is one of the easiest products to sell because people buy these every single day. Number 4, a logbook, and you can sell this on KDP, Gumroad, or your own link in bio. And ChatGPT can create this so fast. You literally upload a reference image of any logbook layout that you like, or even a rough sketch in a prompt. Recreate this layout as a clean logbook template. Make it printable and easy to fill out. Make sure you insert your niche. Then you format it in Canva and export it. Some examples are fitness log, reading log, habit tracker, blood pressure log, a fishing log, cleaning schedules. Logbooks are boring, but boring sells. Okay, number 5 is where people are making serious money on Etsy. And I'll even share my secret of where to get inspiration. So number 5 is digital art bundles. Clip art packs, TV screensaver images like frame TV art, holiday packs, holiday card templates, wall art, social media templates, printable decor sets. These bundles sell because they feel like instant value. And if you want proof that this works, I have a video breaking down Etsy shops that made over $100,000 selling digital products just like this. So go watch it after this if you need inspiration. And I'm sure it will flip a switch for you. So put down your leftovers and here's your new lunch plan. Pick up one of these 5, make the first version in under an hour and list it. Because the biggest reason people don't make money with digital products isn't skill. It's that they never actually start. Comment which one you're making first: ebook, coloring book, lead magnet, logbook, or digital bundles. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to create each of these products with AI, you can check out this video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.